Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can make Dress to Impress not lag. So I don't really lag on my PC, but I do lag a lot on my phone because yeah, just my phone doesn't really support this game that much. So if you want it to make it less laggy, select the settings tab here, and instead of going on like the default mode, just go to the low mode here. And then as you can see, it does make a difference in the color as well as the graphics, but it will lag less. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.